All right, welcome to the Grinch Grinder 2022, hosted by Blackout Fitness. We are going to outline the movements and the flow so that you guys have an idea what to do when you show up. So our first workout, Merry Grinchmas, is solo, 2,000 meter row into max wall balls. Your score is your wall balls. If you are a team, then one partner will row the entire 2,000 meters, one partner will bike the entire 4,000 meters, and then your score is your accumulated wall balls in the time remaining. So at 3, 2, 1, go, athletes will begin to accumulate their meters. Once they have hit their distance, either 2,000 or 4,000, they will exit their machine. And they will begin to accumulate wall balls. Now, only one ball may be working at a time. And your score is your wall balls accumulated. The time cap for this workout is 12 minutes.